Deck fasteners rusting and corroding can totally wreck your deck's look and stability, but swapping them out for stainless steel or coated screws is a game changer. So first off, always pick stainless steel screws because they don't rust and last way longer than regular ones. If you want something a bit cheaper but still good, coated screws have a protective layer that keeps corrosion at bay. When you're replacing old fasteners, make sure to remove every rusty nail or screw, so nothing sneaky is left to cause trouble later. Use a drill or impact driver to get the new screws in tight and flush with the wood. Don't over-tighten though, or you might crack the deck boards. If your deck is near the ocean or in a rainy spot, definitely go for stainless steel since salt and moisture speed up rusting. Also, keep your deck clean and dry when you can. Dirt and moisture sitting around just invite rust. Check your fasteners once or twice a year for any signs of wear so you can catch problems early. And if you're putting in new deck boards, plan to use these rust-resistant screws from the start to save headaches down the road. One of the biggest mistakes with deck fasteners is using regular steel nails or screws that rust fast, which makes your deck unsafe and ugly. Fix this by always picking stainless steel or coated options. Another issue is not removing old rusty fasteners fully before putting in new ones, which can cause boards to loosen or warp. Take the time to pull every last one out properly. The third common problem is over-tightening screws, which cracks wood and weakens your deck structure. Just snug them up so they hold firm without squeezing too hard. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff, so your deck repair or upgrade goes smooth without the stress. For contractors, it's a solid platform to connect with people who need work done, helping build their business with real projects nearby.